This video will go over how to delete multiple plans all at once. Go to the Locations and Plans tab at the main menu. Select the location that you are working with. This will open the existing plans within the location. To delete multiple at once, first select one plan to delete. Then, in the right corner of the page, select All. This will select all of the plans at once. Now press the Action drop-down box and select Delete Selected Plans. If you would like to abort the operation, select No, Don't Delete. If you would like to continue with deleting all of these plans, select Yes, Delete. Please note that if you select Yes, Delete, the existing plans will be deleted and the act cannot be undone. The location has now deleted all of its plans and is ready for new plans.